In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download in Canva. If you've ever finished a design and then gotten stuck trying to save it in the right format, you're definitely not alone. A file can look perfect inside Canva, but if you export it with the wrong settings, it might come out blurry, cropped incorrectly, or with a background you didn't want. That can be especially frustrating when you're working on presentations, social media graphics, printable designs, or branded materials. The good news is that Canva makes downloading your work pretty simple once you know where to click and what to choose. To get started, open Canva and go to the design project you want to download. From your homepage or project list, find the specific design you've been working on and click to open it. Make sure you're inside the correct project and that everything on the canvas looks the way you want before exporting. This is a good moment to quickly check your text, images, spacing, and any final design details. Once your design is ready, move to the top right area of the screen and click the Share button. This opens Canva's sharing and export menu where you'll find several ways to publish or send your design. What we want here is the option to download the file directly to your device. In the Share menu, scroll down until you find Download, then click it. Canva will open the Download Settings panel, and this is where you choose exactly how your file will be exported. Take your time here because the settings you choose can affect quality, compatibility, and how the final file is used. Next, click the File Type dropdown. This is where you select the format that best fits your project. If you're saving a graphic for online use, PNG is usually a great choice because it keeps the image sharp. If you're preparing something for professional printing, PDF print is often the better option. If your design is a presentation, you may see the option to export it as PPTX. And if you created animated content, you can choose MP4 video. Depending on the file type, Canva may also show extra options like resolution or transparent background. So choose the settings that best match your goal. If your design has multiple pages, you can also choose which pages to export. Click Select Pages and pick only the ones you want to download. This is helpful if you don't need the entire project. When everything looks right, click the download button at the bottom. Canva will process the file and save it to your device. And that's it. Your design is now downloaded and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll